my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bia and this is my bubble, and if you like it here you can always hit that subscribe button to get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did the sleek bun look. If this is something that you would like to know how to do, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to straighten out or to smoothen out your hair. Whether this is blow drying or straightening or whatever you do to smoothen out your hair, do that. In my case, I'm going to be using a curling iron because my straightener is in another city and I'm actually in lockdown in this city, so what are you gonna do? It's Corona time. So I'm just going to be using my curling iron just to smooth out all these frizzy pieces that don't really classify as sleek or smooth in any way. I'm not going to be doing all my hair. I'm just going to focus on these front pieces and maybe at the crown and maybe the tip parts, but everything in between I'm just going to brush through it. So once your hair is relatively smoothened out, I'm going to part my hair with a middle part because I feel like that's the most common part you see with this type of look. Once you have your part ready, I'm going to add some volume at the back here. So I'm just selecting this part of my hair. And then I'm just going to tweeze it a bit. Then I'm just going to use some leave-in conditioner and just spray these front pieces a bit. And then I'm going to be combing them out so that we get that sleek look. Then we are going to bring it together and make just a little pony. Then I'm going to secure it with the elastic. You can spray it again. Just to smoothen it out more. Then you can spray on some hairspray just to hold it in place. If you feel the need, then now would be a good chance to smoothen out your ponytail even more, but I'm pretty happy with the texture that it is right now. So the next step is to make it into a little bun. You can spray your ponytail with a bit of water or leave-in conditioner just to make the ends less poofy. Once you are happy with your bun, then I would just spray some hairspray. Just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And there you have it, guys. That is how I do my quick, easy, sleek bun look. This actually didn't take that long. Looking at my arm like I have a watch. Yeah, it didn't actually take that long. No, but really it didn't. And it looks like you've put in a lot of effort and you really have your life together. Maybe this is just the perfect look for 2020. I feel like this look would go great with something like I'm wearing today, which is just like a sloppy t-shirt kind of look with hoop earrings, or maybe with like some sweatpants or something a bit roughed up so that your hair balances out the whole look. And there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Comment down below if you like this video, and don't be scared to hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!